Everybody said it's been time for some new teeth on the 250. And yes, it's finally time. It's starting to wear through right there. I'll show you how much of a difference there is. I mean, it's wore down like 3 or 4 inches. But the reason we go so long, let's see how many hours are on this machine now. That's the original set. 724 hours on those set of teeth. Anybody care to guess how much these teeth cost? 6 teeth, 6 pins, $1,389. That's why we try to get our money's worth out of them. Well, let's change these things out and put some new ones on here.
No, you didn't spray it.
As soon as I pushed the darn trigger, I missed the pin there. That should tap out. Let's see what's going to happen. It's coming, it wasn't going to fall out. I'm going to get this stuff in there. Still moving? Yeah. Barely. Got too much more to go. Ta-da! Got a little bit of debris in there. 5 more to go. That would have hurt. That's a good tight fit. Usually they fall right off. That didn't take much. Screwdriver to pry in there. You can hold up on that one with me. I've never seen one this type before. Clean all that mess out of it. So as you saw, we got all the teeth off. Now we got to come in here and clean out all these pin holes really good. Get all the dirt off so the new teeth sit on there. If the old ones were that hard to get off, the new ones are going to be a little bit tighter because the old ones have wiggled around and wallered out a little bit. So come in here real good, get these cleaned off. We'll go ahead and hopefully get the new teeth on before it rains. All right, new tooth. Put it on there. That looks like a big bucket tooth now. And drive the pins in from the front. I'll set the camera up so you can watch. These are a two-piece locking pin. It's got the wedge and then it's got this like composite piece that goes in here somehow, like so, and you drive it in like that, and this groove locks in the top of that ring up there. This groove kind of locks in that right there. You just tap it in with the hammer. Little WD-40 first. reset it with a screwdriver. And when it doesn't move anymore, that's when you've got it locked in place. So, like I was saying, that goes in there like so. Let me spray it just a little bit. Fit in there a little bit better. And just nice gentle tap. And then set it in place. Just like that. We'll do one more. Put it in there like that. A little spray. And then set it. Locked in place. 3 more to go. And there we have it. Tim, how tall are you?
Like 6'2".
6'2"?
Probably about
6,
5.
yeah, about 5.
8, 5.
Yeah. Everybody says the bucket's small.
Small,
It's not a small bucket, but it's got some brand new teeth on it, and hopefully it'll last another 700 and some hours. Gonna be a lot better raking brush, root raking and everything. All right. I'm excited about my new teethies. Look at that. That's gonna work out good. Feels like a brand new machine now. Be able to do some raking. I like it. Alright, we just need to quit raining because this house lot is a swamp.